Hello, achievers. Myself, Dr. Vikram from the team MDS Achievers. Join us with just a call or WhatsApp message on these given numbers. Today, we are here for the discussion on the topic of ischemic heart disease. See, this is one of the very important medical emergency that we encounter whenever we are dealing with some kind of heart issue kind of patients. And if at all it occurs in the chair side, how we are going to manage is what we are going to discuss. Firstly, we should understand that it denotes the ischemia of the myocardium, that is going to be arrhythmias, angina pectoris, myocardial infarction, and also sometimes if untreated, it is going to land up into sudden death. So how we are going to diagnose? That is like firstly, diagnosis is one of the very important, because no matter how much skill you are, before you diagnose it, you cannot jump into the treatment plan, right? So firstly, it is going to be diagnosed by tightness in the chest and the left arm and left shoulder, because heart is present on the left side, right? So definitely the left arm and shoulder are going to be pain, and also the patient is going to have a pain at the jaw and neck region also, and it is going to be exacerbated or it's going to be increased by stress during the dental treatments also. Sometimes it can occur. Then how we are going to manage? That is the important thing, right? Suppose we encounter a patient with this kind of situation, then firstly we should stop all the dental treatments, no matter whatever we are performing. Stop them. Then adjust the chair in the semi-reclined position so that the blood supply is going to increase. And thereafter, a life-saving important drug is the nitroglycerin. It is going to cause a dilation of the blood vessels, and thereby all muscles are going to be into adequate function. And this is a very important drug. It is placed in the sublingually below the tongue. So thereby it is going to get absorbed and it is going to act, and thereby resulting into the situations back to normal. And you can repeat it after 5 times, till the 5 times you can repeat it up. And oxygen administration is also one of the very important thing that is required, and patient physician should be immediately called to take any kind of medical history if at all they do have. And in case of myocardial infarction, if at all it is present, then the opioid analgesic, that is morphine, is a life-saving drug in small amounts, not in a overdosage, but in a small dosage we can give it to the patient. And if at all bradycardia, that is decreased heart rate, is seen, then atropine sulfate has to be given IM or IV, and thereby the muscles are going to get contract and resulting into the heart rate increasing back to the normal. So that's why it is going to be given. And in case of recent history of myocardial infarction, any elective surgery should not be undertaken for a minimum of about 6 months, no matter whatever treatment. We should be avoiding it up. Thank you for watching. The only 3 keys to success is learn, revise, and repeat. This is Dr. Vikram signing off.